Breaking news. The U.S. stock market crashes after Trump's shocking comment. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what happened today has sent shockwaves across Wall Street and left the entire financial world gasping. It all started when former U.S. President Donald Trump was asked a simple question during a press conference. Do you think the world is heading towards a recession? And his response, oh boy. His response has now triggered what experts are calling the darkest day on Wall Street in recent times. Trump didn't say yes, he didn't say no, but what he did say has caused a massive financial earthquake. Trump said, not recession, but we will definitely go through a transitioning period. And boom, just on that one word, transitioning. The entire American stock market collapsed like a house of cards. Tesla crashed. Nvidia plunged, Apple tumbled, Meta shocking dip, Microsoft bloodbath. All of these tech giants, which were the backbone of the American stock market, lost billions of dollars in market capitalization within hours. But here's the crazy part. No one even knows what Trump actually meant by transitioning period. And that is what fueled the panic. Wall Street analysts immediately sounded the alarm, calling it a catastrophic moment. For the American economy, investors started pulling out billions of dollars, fearing that Trump's choice of words might have been a disguised warning about a major financial collapse. And here's where things get even more interesting. China and Russia, who were closely monitoring the U.S. stock market today, have started making their moves. Reports suggest that China has increased its gold reserves by over $6 billion in the last 24 hours. While Russia has begun diversifying its assets away from the U.S. dollar, clearly indicating that the world is preparing for a major economic shift. Now, if you think the worst is over, you are wrong. The stock market bleeding didn't just affect tech giants, it spread like wildfire across the banking sector. Goldman Sachs plummeted, JP Morgan, tank mode, Bank of America lost billions. And guess what? The fear index, the VIX, just shot up to a level unseen in years, signaling that investors are expecting a massive financial hurricane in the coming days. But here's where it gets even spicier. Analysts are now debating whether Trump slipped a hidden warning to the world about a looming economic collapse, or was he simply trying to downplay a recession? And if you think that's wild, wait till you hear this. Some financial experts are now claiming that the United States might soon enter a stagflation phase, where inflation will skyrocket, but economic growth will stagnate, leaving millions of Americans struggling. Now, here's a chilling fact. During the 2008 recession, the first warning sign was when influential figures started using confusing terms like transitioning phase, economic shifts, or market corrections. Today, Trump did exactly the same thing. And look what happened. The market crashed in a flash. So the big question now is, did Trump accidentally leak a major economic disaster ahead? Or was this part of a planned financial shift that the world has no idea about? One thing is certain. If this transitioning period means what we think it does, the world is about to witness a financial earthquake that will be remembered for ages. And guess what? While America was busy dealing with the market crash, China has already started accumulating gold reserves like crazy. Why? Because during financial collapses, the ones holding gold always become the king. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts, because this is no longer a market correction. This is a full-blown financial panic, and trust me, the days ahead are going to get even crazier. This is World News. Stay tuned, because what happens next will shock the entire world. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to World News for the fastest, spiciest updates.